Indonesia was the fourth largest exporter of frozen shrimp and prawns, with a value of up to $1.51 billion in 2021, according to OEC. At the same time, Indonesia's target for shrimp commodity exports will increase to 250% in 2024, and there will be 10.32 billion tons of shrimp production, growing 8.5% per year. However, 90% of pond farmers in Indonesia face the same two big problems. The first problem is the high percentage of dead shrimp. This high mortality rate is due to uncontrolled dissolved oxygen levels, which should be controlled during cultivation. Secondly, a high fuel operating cost is also an essential problem for pond farmers, with approximately IDR 100 million, or around 6,501 per month. Therefore, there is a need to solve these problems for increasing the pond's productivity. Crustea comes with a solution. Aerator, an eco-friendly aeration technology with smart IoT to optimize the cultivation process. Equipped with microbubble technology, Aerator can increase the dissolved oxygen and boost pond farmers' productivity until they are 200% bigger in shrimp size. Moreover, integrating the solar panel system can diminish fuel or electricity costs by up to 80% and reduce GHG to 23.044 tons of carbon dioxide. Besides the Aerator, Crustea offers two supporting products to enhance farming performance, which are AB and Smart Energy System. AB system automatically measures and monitors water quality in 4 parameters: dissolved oxygen, pH, salinity, and temperature. If the dissolved oxygen is low, the aerator will turn on automatically. It can reduce the operational cost because there is no need for 24-hour operation. Smart Energy System is used to monitor the energy usage and its savings. All of Crustea's technology is integrated into Smart IoT. Using this dashboard, pond farmers can easily monitor their ponds everywhere and at any time. Along with Crustea, pond farmers do not need to worry about their pond's quality and operational cost. Furthermore, in using Crustea's products, pond farmers have contributed to Industry 4.0 and encouraged sustainable development goals. Let's move on to smart farming with Crustea.